What's good, peeps? It's your everyday techie and I'm back with another video. And today we're looking at the Cambridge Audio Melomania 1s. True wireless in-ear monitors. You get that? True wireless in-ear monitors. Cambridge is a UK firm well known for their audio equipment, amplifiers and all that good stuff. Now, these got a 5-star on what Hi-Fi and recently got mentioned in GQ magazine, so I wanted to find out what all the fuss was about. What you get from these is you get premium graphene enhanced drivers. Now they use graphene because it is a stronger, more robust, lighter material. You get clear calling with CVC noise cancellation, and you also get Bluetooth 5.0, which is the gold standard. They come with memory foam and silicone tips for optimal fit. It's IPX5 sweat and water resistant, so you're all good in the gym, and if you get caught in the rain, you're jiggy. They also come with advanced Qualcomm technology with aptX. The playtime on these bad boys is, check this out, this is straight beast mode. 9 hours playtime for one charge. Now that's smashing all wireless earbuds, or most of them. They're super lightweight, weighing in at 4.6 grams, and they work with your voice assistants like Siri and Google. So let's see what this is about. It's a lovely presentation. You see on the side, they're making a real statement. 50 years of award-winning Great British sound in every pair. So let's check these out. Nice. So listen, yeah, this presentation is on point. You got your book style design, really like that. And you got a nice little note from the CEO of Cambridge Audio. James Johnson, CEO, I'm feeling you, boy. So let's check these out. So the case feels nice, solid. The earbuds, I like them. Pop them in. Okay. Ooh, nice little LEDs. Feeling that. Alright, so listen, yeah. Design wise, I mean, look at that. Just check that out, yeah. That is bad. That's bad. Design wise, I'm feeling these. I'm feeling these. Nice little magnetic feel to them. Ah, and they're clicking. Oh, yes. I'm feeling that. Nice jet black case. Feeling the case. Love that black status. It's wicked. Stealth. Feeling them. They come in two colors. They come in the black and they come in like a off-white type color. I had to go with the black. Straight stealth status. The feel of the case is nice. It's light, but it feels very well made. Very similar to the size of AirPods. The hinge feels good, well engineered, doesn't feel cheap. On the back, you've got some branding and Cambridge Audio. To the side, you've got your standard USB port. This is not USB-C. And on the front, you've got your LEDs. I've got to say, first impressions, out of the box, the whole unboxing experience, the style, the design, listen, yeah, these are deadly. Let's just see what else we get in the box. So you've got a little credit card, says Cambridge Audio, Melomania 1, true wireless in-ear monitors, button press functions. So I quite like that. You got yourself a little cheat sheet, teaches you how to control them. Really like that. And you've got the rest of the instructions. Also in the box, you've got your charging cable with your additional ear tips. Quite like that. That must be the Melomania Studio. really nice. So presentation is real nice. You've got a USB lead, love that. Nice, well made, not no crap. And you've got your ear tips. So you've got your foam and you've got your silicone. I'm gonna have a play with these and get the best fit. Real nice, but that's just the unboxing experience. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pair these up and I'm gonna check out sound quality, check out lag latency when watching YouTube or films, and let's see how these perform in the real world. Okay, so pairing these up is extremely simple. Second, you take them out the box. They are already in pair mode. If you have a look, they've got some real nice LEDs which run around the rim. So I simply go to Bluetooth pairing. So you take them out the box and pairing is seamless. You've got audible tone in your ear. What I like to pair. Okay, there we go. Nice and seamless. So first, let's check out how these sound. Let's go over to Spotify. Okay, let's get down with some Talib Kweli. So they sound nice and clear. Now, something to bear in mind, something that you must bear in mind with these, they do not come with the standard size earbuds because the drivers are so big. You can't just source these anywhere. Okay, so if you do want extra ear tips, you will have to go through Cambridge Audio. Okay, so it's passive noise cancellation. Okay, it's not active noise cancellation. My surrounding noise is blocked out because I've got these wedged into my ears. They feel pretty solid. They do not feel like they're gonna fall out of my ears at all. I still feel like I can hear outside noise, but there's a real good seal. So it all depends on your ears and how they fit, but out of the bat, these fit well. First thoughts is, it's not as loud as I'd like it. Listen, I like my music loud. I like my ears to be pinging with beats. The bass isn't too bad. It's got a real good range to it, mids, highs, tops, ooh, nice. To me, they sound much better than AirPods at a much cheaper price. And I would say that the build quality is on par or better. So that's one thing to consider. Okay, so listen, when it comes to music, these are bangers. These are bangers. The fit, they feel comfortable, they look good. These are bangers. They're bangers. They're bangers. Now, I paid £99 for these. I will be quite happy paying £119 for these. These are nice. Okay, let's check out lag latency. So we'll check out CJ News Tech. Lag latency is pretty much zero. Pretty much zero. Yeah, man. So check it. Lag latency is pretty much zero now. I don't know whether or not it's just me, but these seem to be getting a little bit louder the more I play with them, and I don't know whether that's going to be the case. Once the drivers bed in, they'll start getting a little bit louder. They could still be louder, but listen, these earbuds feel nice. They feel nice, don't feel like they're going to drop out of my ear. Did a bit of shadow boxing, shaking my head around. These don't feel like they're going anywhere. These are nice. These are nice. Let's check out some call quality. Hello? Hello? Hello, brother. What time do you close today? Okay, thank you. Cheers, bye. Okay, so call quality sounds good. You can use either AirPod independently. So it's nice, but what it does is it cuts out, yep, tells you Bluetooth's disconnected, then cuts back in again. So let's switch them up. Let's take it out, put it back in. Okay, not quite as seamless as I would have expected. And it turns down the volume. But the key is you can definitely use these independently. But when you do take one out and put in the other one, it tells you the Bluetooth's disconnected, and then it will say Melomania connected. Now the voice on board sounds nice. doesn't sound too robotic. It's a nice, lovely British female tone. I'm feeling that. Okay, so another thing to think about is when I unboxed and tested the NX Fires, they have a similar button control on the ear, but with those, when you use the button control, you had to be pressing quite hard and you were pushing the earphones into your ears, which wasn't very comfortable. Now with these, it is a very subtle press. It's almost like, the button control is absolutely fantastic. The way these work is absolutely brilliant, and I'm very, 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 very impressed. From what I see so far, the range, the call quality, the sound, the design, the multifunction, probably one of the most functional earbuds that you can get, being able to volume up, volume down, skip track, summon your assistant. It is absolutely fantastic. Knowing that there isn't a slave bud, so you can use either bud independently. So really, if you wanted to, you could get 9 hours from each bud and then a further 36 hours from the case if you really, 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 really wanted to do that. Or you might feel that you want to wear them in one ear because you want to hear outside noise. You can do it however you want. But what I will say is these are an absolute banger. They're a banger. So listen, for what you're paying for the money, these are absolutely fantastic. Call quality, brilliant. Sound, fantastic. Just not quite loud enough. Comfort, beautiful. Design, I really, really like it. The kind of industrial, look a bit like earplugs, but these are fantastic. I love the LED that goes around the accents. It's just so nice. I like the stainless steel band. They are plastic, mainly plastic, but they don't feel cheap. They feel really, really good. From the case to the earbuds to the unboxing experience, these are absolutely fantastic. And for the price between £100 to £120, you cannot go wrong. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a better headphone or better earbud at that price. So let's have a look at them in comparison to the Apple AirPods. Okay, so case wise, brilliant. Oh, and another thing, you compare these to up to 7 devices at the same time. That is next level. So it doesn't matter where you're rocking or how you're rocking with Apple, you're rocking with the ecosystem. That's your Mac, that's your phone, that's your iPad, whatever, it's got you covered. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now, so far as the case, it is slightly bigger than the AirPods. It's got a matte finish to it rather than a shiny finish, but it is just as nice. It really is. It's nice. It's nice. The hinge on them is nice. Now, I would say that the build quality of the AirPods is very, very slightly better. So let's see what it feels like when you've actually got them in there, because that added weight makes a difference. Now, I love how these go in and then they snap into place again. Put them in and then you snap them into place. These are not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. Nice bright LEDs let you know what's going on. So listen, these are absolutely brilliant. The build quality really is on par with the Apple AirPods, but these are a good couple of quid cheaper. So it's up to you. But they are fantastic. I would say the sound quality on these is much better. Yeah, the Melomanias, in my opinion, sound better. Let me put them back in again. Okay, so without a doubt, what I will tell you is this: the sound stage on these is much greater than the sound stage on the AirPods. You can hear much more of the detail in the track. These sound slightly muddier, these sound clearer, but they are very similar. But you have to remember is these are quite a bit cheaper. In a nutshell, what I'm saying is these are absolutely sick. For the price, they are absolutely brilliant. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer these over the AirPods? Do you think they look as good as the AirPods? What do you think of the price? What do you think of the design? And what do you think of the video? You know the dilly. It's your everyday techie. Hit subscribe, tickle the like button, and I'll link you on the next one. Peace.